how to sync WhatsApp contacts on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the Privacy and Security option. Here, go ahead and navigate to Contacts and tap on it, and further scroll down and tap on the WhatsApp option. Here, make sure the full access option is selected, and if not, then go ahead and select the full access option, and with this, your contacts will be synced with WhatsApp. So, this is how you can sync WhatsApp contacts on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.